Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you a bulk product management pipeline that exports your Shopify catalog via Matrixify, enriches it against rules and lookup tables, and imports the updates back, handling thousands of products in the time it used to take to update 10. Bulk product changes in Shopify mean exporting, editing manually in Excel, hoping nothing breaks on import, and starting over when it does. This automation solves it. Let me walk you through how it works.
Hey, how are you? I wanted to show you my Matrixify update file process for converting two tags and updating that information. This automation takes a Matrixify export. After the export is done, which you can auto set in Shopify admin, it pulls the information from that particular export. First, it clears a spreadsheet in Google Sheets, imports the CSV file exported by Matrixify, goes through every line item and compares it. We're looking for two tags, square and no square. The items tagged with a square are looked up and updated from a master file, which we're looking up here, and then updating that particular record, another Google Sheet. And there's two branches doing the same thing, but two different lookup files. At the end of the day, the same Google Sheet is exported back out to Matrixify as a CSV file, and another scheduled task in Matrixify imports that into Matrixify with the corrected, refreshed, and enhanced information from the two master files. If that looks interesting for you and it sounds like what you may be doing or something similar, please let me know. Something like this can easily be adapted for any tag or any status update in Shopify. Thanks very much.
So that's the Shopify Matrixify bulk update pipeline in action. You will be amazed how much manual work disappears when the right automation kicks in. Visit 1ltx.com and schedule a call. We'll scope it, size it, and give you a straight price.